Okay, as we're getting ready to make these dolls, it seems like the Elmer's glue does work. So what I did is I just kind of made a little line like that. And that way, as I get ready to wrap it, I can cover up the loose end as well. So I just kind of press it down like that. And then holding that in place, I can start wrapping it and winding it around. And then that will continue to glue as I continue to work my way around. And that seemed to hold it just fine. I am just going to keep on wrapping it, and then I will continue to show you how I finish it off. Okay, I've wrapped until I want to be done with this color. I want to switch it up so that I can have a different color for the bottoms. And I think I'll probably just put a little dab of glue. And hopefully that'll hold. Now I'm going to switch to a new color for the bottoms. And I'll start it the same way. And just continue on now with the bottoms. Okay, and when you reach this point, you can decide if you want to create a skirt and continue wrapping like that, or you can turn it into pants. And if I decide to do pants, I'm going to wrap it like this and then switch it over. Again, wrapping one, pulling it through, and then switching it to the other leg and wrapping it around the rest of the way. Around and through, and then back around the other side. Just kind of weaving it in like a figure eight, like this. And then I can push all of that up, and it still creates the appearance that we've got some pants. Kind of getting sloppy here, but then I can just push it all up. And continue on. Okay, just about done. My pants go about to where the ankles would be. So I think I'll just finish it up here. Again, scooching it all up as much as I can. I'm going to put a dab of glue here. Cut my thread. And then just press it to hold it. Elmer's glue does dry clear, so even though I can see it right now, it should dry just fine. And there is my little person. Don't forget, we want to finish it up with some hair. So I'm going to do some crazy colored hair. In some of the examples, you can see that they've got some braids and some other different hairstyles going. I'm just going to do probably about that length of hair, so I'll probably cut a couple of strands about that length. We can always trim it up later if we don't like the length. Alright, got a few pieces cut, and I'm just really experimenting right now, but I think I might start there, kind of create some bangs, Clearly, I'm almost out of glue. I'll need to get some more. Just kind of putting some glue there on the whole head. Layering on these pieces. And just continuing on like that. Okay, looks pretty good. You can add a little ponytail if you want. You can add some extra strands back here where it's looking kind of patchy, but that's the gist of it. Now it's time for the eyes. Just using a pen, you can probably use a Sharpie, though the Sharpie is more likely to bleed. And we're just adding eyes. We're not going to add a mouth or a nose or anything, just the eyes. And there's our doll.